Hi, I'm Eric, Director of Medical Health Research at Taiji Clinic, and I'm going to be introducing to you the Researcher Workshop, which I'll be offering soon. A little bit about myself. I'm a public health graduate from National Yangming University, and I've been working as a health researcher in Taiwan for over 5 years. I've also been working at Taiji Clinic for around 3 years, and recently I've developed a course on teaching healthcare professionals how to do research. Through this workshop, I hope to make research more approachable and practical so that you'll be able to analyze papers, be able to do data analysis, and through this, be able to increase your output for presentations and publications. The workshop will be held at Taiji Clinic from May to March and will consist of 1 2-hour class per week. The overall cost will be 9,000 NT for the course, plus a cost for downloading the Excel stat package. Moving on to the workshop contents, we'll be covering the workshop introduction and how we'll learn, and we'll be moving on to research methodology in 2 different weeks. Then I will be guiding you how to critically analyze and systematically compile literature for research. Then in Module 3, we'll be looking at how to conduct data collection while keeping in mind the bioethics and also tips on writing an IRB proposal. Next, in Module 4, I'll be introducing to you Excel stat and how to conduct data management. Then we'll be moving on to the analysis with descriptive analysis, univariate analysis, and advanced analysis. Next, in Module 5, I will be giving you tips on public speaking and how to make a lasting impression. After presentations, we'll be moving on to writing a manuscript, and I'll be giving you tips on how to best develop your manuscripts for publication. In the last module, we'll be going over different tips on how to get your manuscript published in academic journals. As mentioned earlier, we will be using Excel stat and Excel to conduct all data analysis. In my experience, this is one of the easiest ways for beginners to learn data analysis. I hope to make this workshop as practical as possible, so my hope is that you will bring your own data to be able to be analyzed, and we will use this data throughout the whole research process. In order to ensure an overall quality of the workshop, we hope that all participants will have an advanced English ability and can commit to the schedule. We also ask that you have Microsoft Excel on your laptop. So that's it for now. I'm really looking forward to this excellent class. I have a strong passion for teaching research, and I really hope that you'll join us and be able to start doing your own research after the workshop.